उनसे आप कुछ भी पूछो वो पीछे की ओर देखते हैं। उनसे पूछो भैया ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट क्यों हुआ, कहेंगे भैया वो देखो कांग्रेस ने 50 साल पहले ये किया। भैया टेक्स्ट बुक्स में से आपने पीरियोडिक टेबल एवोल्यूशन क्यों निकाल दिया, भैया कांग्रेस पार्टी ने 60 साल पहले ये किया। इट इज इमीडिएट, देयर इमीडिएट रिस्पॉन्स, भैया पीछे देखो। नाउ you think about it. All of you came here by car, using your cars. Imagine if the only thing you did was look in the rear view mirror. If 24 ghanta, when you were driving the car, you looked at the rear view mirror, could you drive your car? You'd be having one accident after the other. The passenger would be saying, भैया क्या कर रहे हो, मरवा दिया आपने, right? That is the phenomena of Narendra Modi ji. He is trying to drive the car, the Indian car, and he only looks in the rear view mirror. And then he does not understand why this car is crashing, not moving forward. And it's the same idea with the BJP, with the RSS, all of them. You listen to them. You listen to their ministers, you listen to the Prime Minister, you will never find them talking about the future. They will only talk about the past. And they will always blame somebody else for the past.